want to alert them 5 days later. So then you can say 5 days after this, do this. Now the interesting thing is, you would create the filter to test whether that condition was true. So let me give you an example. Let's say there's a payment to be made, and the payment date is there. And you could say if the payment date is 30 days after the payment date, remind them. What if they pay on the 29th day? Bang, it's no longer true, so that trigger never executes. So the way we do workflow, and I'll tell you how it works if you can visually think about it, is when you write a workflow rule with a time-dependent trigger, we put it into a table to be executed as if it's going to happen. Right then, it's queued, ready to go. And we just keep looking at that table to see what do we have to do now, what do we have to do now, what do we have to do. We keep running through this work to-do list. Say, what do we have to do for workflow, what do we have to do? We check it, and what happens, we say, oh look, we've got to send this thing out, but the time hasn't arrived yet. Okay, next day, what are we doing? Oh, not yet. Now, something happens that changes the data. We remove that entry from the work list, so that the next day, it never sees that entry. So we always queue the work to do,